Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ansh Tiwari and you're watching Little Blue. Today I am going to be doing market analysis of a few shares that I personally like. I do not recommend you to buy or sell any stocks from this video. So I'm going to share my screen now. Share. Sorry, not this one. Uh, Wait, I closed the wrong. Just a second. Now I have four shares. Sorry, I have four shares that I want to show you. Choice International, Best AgroLife, Bharat Wire Ropes, and Expro India. Expro India is bad in financial, not very bad, but it has a little probability of going down. Now, I'm going to move my video here. Okay. I need to cut this. Now, this is the chart. I'm going to go on daily. Refresh. So in daily, this we can see a range that formed after going over here and then hitting once more on the top over here. So this is actually a range from 5-minute chart. So let me show the chart to you. So this is actually a resistance range that Choice International is breaking through. So it looks pretty good to buy as it has taken support on the center line of this. Now I'm going to open 5-minute chart. Now if I zoom out a bit, so we can see that the charts on 10:30 24th of April, the Choice International share hit a high of wait, this candle, wait a second, it hit a high of 326.80, you can say 327 rupees. After that it tried breaking out of this range once again, but stopped at the same price or nearby around 326.65, rounding off at 327 again. So after that on 28th of April, the markets made a perfect bowl curve that made the stock enter this range, which wasn't a range, it was just a resistance. Now it's a resistance range, which here now it went up and then it went up making many highs and just consolidated in the range, and it once gave a false breakdown, and then now it was stuck under this portion for the past few days. So now it has broken out and started falling from this part, which was once a consolidation on this area. Consolidation, not a consolidation, a resistance, like this one, this resistance, that top here you see. So it hit it and went back down, but because it has crossed this center line of the range, it took support on this center line. It doesn't always happen, and went up once again. So the markets, this share still has a probability of retesting this range again, as it has formed a very long reverse hammer candle. So that is for this share. Now, Best Agro Life, also known as Best Agro. This share is a pretty good one. It is stuck down here on the bottom from the past few days since 28th of April. So since the past 13 days it has been stuck here. Now including holidays too. So now it was stuck. It did give a false breakout and then came back into the range. Now has made a double top and is back at the support. Now there is a chance of it going back up, which after touching this support, it made a very good bullish hammer candle, which may result it in going up very much, as mostly hammer candles work very good in this share, Best Agro Life. I can give you a few examples too. For example, these two are hammers. When two hammers form next to each other, it just works as one hammer. So these two hammer candles formed next to each other, and the stock fell down as it was an kind of high, as this was the new range for this stock. And then we can see another hammer candle here, which paused this run of the stock and resulted it into a downwards consolidation. So the hammer candles work nicely in this stock. There are a few more hammer candles, but they are far back, so I won't be able to show them. Now this is also a stock that we can buy. Now Bharat Wire Ropes, my another one of my favorite stocks, has been over here since yesterday or something, 11 May, yeah, today only. So I think I was remembering this place. Yeah, I remember this part that I saw once, that it bounced off this place. So now it's in a range. I can mark the range from here to here. So this range is the range where this stock is stuck, and it has given a probable breakout to this range and has been stuck right above this very strong support since yesterday. No, today only, today morning. Not today morning, today 1:40. So it has been stuck here and has bounced off a lot from this range. So this stock probably wants to break this down, or either wants to break out of this place it has been stuck in. Like this resistance, it bounced off from it today only in near the starting of the trading session. So that is it for this stock. Next stock, Expro India. This stock has a little bit of financial problems, but not much, so it may continue its rise. Well, it may start its rise, as it has been falling since the past few days. I was thinking to trade over on this breakout somewhere over here, but then I cancelled the trade. I cancelled that trade because I saw the financials and they were kind of low, so I didn't get into the trade. And it was a very good idea, as this stock then fell down drastically. Not much, just it fell down to where it came from. So it was a good idea to not get the trade. So that is it for today. Thank you and bye.